Hi, in this video, we're going to learn a little bit more about how to use the Microsoft Translate app. So again, to use that app, I'm going to go ahead and go into my launcher and expand all my apps and find the Translator app and click to open it. Now this app is designed for mobile, so the screen is always going to stay about this size. Even if I go into full screen mode, I am still going to deal with about this size. But that's okay. This will work for our basic functions. There are four main ways I can interact with Microsoft Translate. The first way is via microphone. I can click on the microphone. I might need to allow this the first time I do this. And now I'm going to get brought to this screen here where I can click on the mic to start. The first thing I'm going to want to do is decide which language I'm speaking in and which language I need to translate to. Once I'm ready to go, I'll hit the microphone and I'll just start talking and that translation will happen. I can click on the microphone. As soon as I pause, you'll see there it will go ahead and read that off, and it will also write out that translation for me. To go back and interact with this in some of the other ways, I can click this arrow. I can enter text here, and all I have to do is start typing, or I can paste in text. So you'll see here I've typed out some text up at the top, and it has translated that into Spanish down at the bottom. I can have it read that translation out loud to me, or I can change the language that this is translated into. To clear this out and start over, I just click the X here, and I can start over with something new. Again, I can also paste in text if I need to. I'm going to click this arrow here to go back. The camera icon will let you take pictures of foreign text and translate it into English or vice versa. So in order to use this, you need to already have a picture of the text on your device, which I happen to have. I can click on the camera icon. And in this case here, my picture happens to be my Google Drive, so I'll go into my Google Drive. And I know the picture is a PNG, but I can use this format here, or I can come down here and switch to a PNG image. And there is my picture of text in Spanish. I'll go ahead and click open. You'll see this quickly scans the picture and overlays the text right on top of it. I'm also able to use this copy icon here to copy that translation and paste it somewhere else. I can also select another file and do the same thing by clicking this image icon here, and this will allow me to pick another file. Again, if I want to change the language here, if I want to go from Spanish to French, I can click the drop down here and pick another language that I'd like to translate this into. I'm going to go ahead and click this back arrow here to return back to the home page. And the final icon here is the speaking translation. This allows you to have a translated conversation when two people are speaking to each other in different languages. We're not going to go over that feature today. I just want you to be aware of what that icon does. Microsoft Translate also has a phrase book, so I can look up common phrases in another language, and that is this icon here. If I click on the phrase book here, it's again going to ask me English to Spanish. I can again choose the language I would like some common phrases in, and then I can pick the phrases here. If I want something related to technology, like I need a printer, I can go ahead and click on I need a printer. It's going to show me how to write that in Spanish, how to pronounce that with English pronunciation. I can have it speak it. I can have it type it, and I can copy that and then paste that somewhere else. Again, to go back to the main page, just click this small arrow here. And one more time, takes us back to the app. Thank you for watching this quick video on how to use Microsoft Translate to translate both spoken word and written word, as well as any text on a document. Thanks.